Hello guys, today I've got the Marshall Monitor 3 headphones and I'm going to show you some fixes of why your headphones keep dropping connection from your phone. At first, check if your headphones are the fault, if your headphones are broken or if your phone is broken. How to check that? Connect your headphones to a different device, like for example, try to connect your headphones to some laptop instead of your phone or something like that. If it works without dropping connection, the issue is located in your phone. If it is still dropping connection, if it still drops the connection, you need to focus on the headphones itself. Try to charge them up to 100%. Just charge them up to 100% and check if the problem still occurs. The battery may just discharge and there may be some problems with it. If you still can't fix it after the full charge, you need to perform a factory reset. Find the buttons right here. Wait a minute, where are they? They are here. This ANC one and the M button, and hold them together until you see this LED light where over here goes purple. Just like this. Now try to connect your headphones back again to your phone and check it out. If you still can't connect, if you still have some connection dropping, you need to contact the device support because there may be some device problems. Goodbye.